Hello students, yesterday we have seen projections of planes and one problem, a rectangular problem, and today we are going to have a small review on what we have learned yesterday. When a plane is oriented to any one of the reference planes, if plane is parallel to reference plane, we get true area, and if plane is perpendicular, we get line, and if plane is inclined, we get reduced area. And if plane is resting on horizontal plane, first step we are going to get the first step here below XY line, and the projection continues like this. Third step will be inclined to HP. So there will be two angles, as we have seen in yesterday's problem, two angles inclined to HP and inclined to VP. The third step will be we have to take the angle which is inclined to horizontal plane, and the fifth step we have to take a plane inclined to VP, the angle which is given to inclined to VP. And if plane is resting on vertical plane, the first step we are going to draw it on vertical plane, that is above XY line. Then the projections continues. Third step is inclined to vertical plane. We have to take the inclination value which is inclined to vertical plane, and the procedure goes on. And the fifth step will be inclined to horizontal plane. Here the plane what we are going to get will be inclined to horizontal. So this is the review of previous class. Today we are going to see a problem of five sides problem, which is a pentagon. A regular pentagon of 30 mm side is resting on horizontal plane on one of its sides with its surface 45 degrees inclined to horizontal plane. Draw its projections when the side in horizontal plane makes 30 degrees angle with vertical plane. As given in the problem, pentagon he has given us for 30 mm side resting on horizontal plane. So the first step will be starting below XY line, as we have seen in the previous class. It is resting on its side. We have seen if a side is resting, the edge will be on to the left side. So we are going to see here, these are the steps for the problem. So this is XY line. The first step will be a pentagon. The edge of the pentagon will be onto the left side, since he said that it is resting on HP on one of its sides. So this is the one side. Next, so A, B, C, D, E. Since this is resting on horizontal plane, the projection of this plane will be on XY line. The second step will be on XY line. We can see a line, distance of line, A dash, B dash. So this is the plane what we are going to get in second step. So this plane will be inclined at 45 degrees to horizontal plane, which is given in the problem. And we have to remember that one side is on horizontal plane. So we are assuming AB is on horizontal plane. So this point A dash B dash will be projected on XY line. So this point is A dash B dash. Then here C dash, E dash, then D dash. To get the fourth step, we project downwards to get a reduced pentagon A1, B1, C1, D1 and E1. So when a plane is inclined to horizontal plane, we get a reduced area. And next, fifth step is draw the projections when the side in HP makes 30 degrees angle with vertical plane. We are assuming that AB, the side AB is lying on horizontal plane. So this AB we have to keep 30 degrees inclination to the vertical plane. So same pentagon is projected here, keeping that AB is 30 degrees inclined to vertical plane. Then to get the final front view, we have to project upwards. So this is a final front view, reduced length A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, and E1 dash. So this is a final front view, and this is final top view. So this is a 5 sides or pentagon problem inclined to both the planes. So the hexagonal lamina has its one side in horizontal plane and its opposite parallel side is 25 mm above horizontal plane. And in VP, draw its projections, take side of hexagon as 30 mm. So here it is resting on one side in horizontal plane. So the first step will be below horizontal plane, below XY line, and this side will be, since it is resting on the side will be on our left side. So projection front view will be on XY line. This is the length of the plane in front view, and this, if AB is resting on horizontal plane, the opposite side is ED. So ED is the opposite parallel side is 25 mm above HP. So inclination is not given, but ED is 25 mm above HP. That means above XY line. So this is a 25 mm length, and taking this length A dash B dash to B dash A dash. So this length is taken, and we have A dash B dash is on XY line. D dash E dash is on 25 mm height line. So marking all these 3 points here, and to get the fourth step, projecting downwards, we get a reduced area, and inclination also can be found with horizontal plane here. And he is saying that this 25 mm is in VP. ED is in vertical plane. ED is in vertical plane. So taking this fourth step and keeping in fifth step here, ED is on vertical plane, and same pentagon is projected here, drawn here, and to get the final front view, it is projected upwards like this to get final front view. So this is a final front view which is above XY line, and final top view which is below XY line. If we observe all these 3 problems, second and third steps are similar, fourth and fifth steps are similar. Either it might be the first step, either it might start below XY line or above XY line. Second and third steps, fourth and fifth steps are similar. So this, if we understand all these concepts, we can draw all the problems, all the diagrams. Thank you.